In example number 2, for this video, we need to find the equation of the set of points that are equidistant from two other points. Okay. So let's go ahead and see how we do that. For example number 2, we need to find all points that are equidistant from two other points. So let me sketch out what that guy's going to look like. So let's put in a coordinate system here. Okay. And so let's go ahead and plot the points Q and R. So Q is at 1, -4. And R is at 0, -3. So we need all points that are equidistant from those two. Okay, so the easiest point, the first point, the easiest point to find is the midpoint, the guy that's right in between those two. So this guy, the midpoint, is found by taking the averages, so 1 plus 0 over 2, and -3 plus -4 over 2. So that's 1/2, and that's -7/2. Okay, so that's the midpoint. Now, what about the rest of the points? Because we need a whole equation. Well, there's a whole bunch of points, like this guy right here is equidistant from both of these points. And so is this guy and this guy. Okay, you get the idea. If I put in a straight line like this, all the points along that line are equidistant from these two. So what we're looking for is the equation of a straight line. Okay, now we've got 1 point on our line. Okay, there's 2 approaches to this. Okay, one approach is to try to find one of these other points. If I can find one of these other guys, then I'd have 2 points. So let's say I could find this guy right here. Then I'd have 2 points and I could find the equation of the line. Here's a little trick though. These two guys fall on some line, right? And now all of these guys fall on another line. And the thing is that the green guys, that line must be perpendicular to this white line. So let's find, all we need to do is find the slope of this line and then use its opposite reciprocal to get the slope that contains this guy right here. So to find an equation of a line, you either need 2 points or the slope in 1 point. And so we're going to use the slope in 1 point. So what is the slope? Well, the slope of the white line is the change in the y over the change in the x. And now my change in my y's, I go from -3 down to -4. So we'll go -3 minus -4, and then 0 minus 1. So this is going to give me 1 over -1, which is just -1. So the slope here is down 1 over 1. Okay, so then the slope for this green line must be the opposite reciprocal of that. And so the slope for the green line must be, take away the negative sign and the reciprocal, and we just get 1. Okay, so we're almost there. So we know our equation is y equals mx plus b for the green line. We know the m value is 1. We know that when x is 1/2 and y is -7/2, that the equation balances, so we can find b now. So this is just 1/2 plus b is -7/2. So if we subtract this, we get -8/2 for b, which means b is -4. So y is equal to m, which is 1, so 1x, or just x, minus 4. And so this line, any point on this line, is the same distance from R as it is from Q.